Hello friends. Do you know the meaning of IKYFL? IKYFL stands for I know you f***ing lying. It's a slang expression that is used when someone is shocked, surprised, or in total disbelief at what someone else just said or did. It can be playful or serious, depending on the context. It has different meanings. Like, no way that's true. Are you serious right now? Or, you must be joking. As IKYFL is an informal expression, it should be used in texting, on social media, and in memes. So it's best used with friends or online, not in professional or formal settings. I hope you find this video very helpful. Do not leave the video without subscribing to the channel. Thank you.